Welcome to the step-by-step tutorial of FarmNTrade app registration, leading to success. In this tutorial, we will show you how to download and register in our app and start growing. So let's begin. At first, head to the Google Play Store or App Store on your mobile device. Search for FarmNTrade and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it. Then, select your country. You will see the home page. Then click the three-line button on the top left. Find Sign Up button and click it. Then choose among these 4 options you would like to sign up as. You'll be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and most importantly, your ID verification to ensure secure and transparent trade. Fill in the required fields, create a password, and tap Sign Up to proceed. Congratulations! You have successfully registered your account. Finally, do the basics of setting up your profile, explore the marketplace, and boom! The stage is yours. Start trading, start growing.